What if I told you that there's a company right now generating serious revenue with nothing but AI generated puppy images? And what if I told you that in the next 15 minutes, I'm gonna show you exactly how I copied their entire business model and built my own $5,000 per month AI business without writing a single line of code? I have zero coding experience. I've never built a website from scratch, but I found one AI tool that does literally everything for me. And I'm about to reverse engineer a proven business that's already making money hand over fist. So here's what we're doing today. I found this company that's crushing it with AI generated content. They're making thousands through subscriptions alone. I'm gonna show you how to copy their exact formula using one simple AI tool that builds everything for you. I'll teach you how to connect Stripe to make money right away. No technical skills required. Let's get into it. The AI tool we're going to use is Replit. With my code JakeAI, you will get a 10% discount and full access to the Replit agent. I added the link in the description down below. Important disclaimer: building apps and making money online isn't easy, despite what other YouTubers are saying. When I show you how to build an app, I'm demonstrating the technical process and potential, not guaranteeing your results. These AI tools are legit and the techniques work, but success depends on your execution, timing, and honestly, some luck. Most apps don't make money immediately, and many don't make money at all. I'm not promising you'll get rich or quit your job. This isn't financial advice or a get-rich-quick scheme. I'm just showing you what's possible with these tools. What you do with that knowledge is entirely up to you. Alright, expectations set, let's continue to building the app. Alright, so this whole thing starts with an idea. What if you could turn photos of your own dog into actual art, using AI that's trained just on your pet? That's exactly what we're building, a custom dog art generator, kind of like with Imagined with AI, but way more personal. The goal is to keep it simple and fun so users can upload a bunch of dog photos, train their own private model, and generate 5 unique pieces in different styles. To get the base layout going, let's tell Replit, build an AI dog art generator app with modern UI. Include sections: upload, generate art, gallery, and settings. Replit comes back with a pretty solid multi-page setup right away. There's an upload tab where users can drop in their photos and get them validated, then generate art while they pick a style and let the AI do its thing. The gallery holds all the finished pieces and lets users download or delete anything they want. And over here in the settings, they can tweak account preferences, handle privacy stuff, or even download their trained model for offline use. Switching between sections is seamless and it looks great on both desktop and mobile. There is one little hiccup here though. Replit is not hooking up the OpenAI API key properly at first, so the backend can't handle the uploads. Not a huge deal, the fix is just to manually re-authenticate the key. And there you go, all the uploads go through fine and image processing kicks in without a problem. Alright, let's build the photo upload system. And this part's pretty important. The whole idea is to make sure the users give the AI enough variety to actually learn from. So the uploader isn't just about getting 5 pictures, it's about making sure those pictures are useful. That means different backgrounds, different angles, and only the right file types. We're gonna ask Replit to set this up for us. Create a photo uploader that requires 5 JPEG/PNG dog photos with different backgrounds before proceeding. We have here a clean uploader that only accepts JPEG, JPG, and PNG files. It also enforces the rule that users need to upload at least 5 photos in one go, and not just any 5. They actually have to look different. If someone uploads images that are too similar or forgets a required format, the app gives clear feedback with helpful error messages and visual hints so users know exactly what to fix. But something isn't adding up here. Everything looks fine on the surface, but the app refuses to accept the image and shows a generic error. So let's ask the AI directly. Why does it say no image file provided even though I uploaded an image? That leads us to the root of the issue. The problem isn't the upload itself, it's that Replit's connection to the OpenAI API is broken. The app isn't actually receiving the image data because the API key is either missing or set up wrong. But then again, the fix is simple. Just manually re-authenticate the key and double check the input bindings. After fixing that, the uploader is working exactly as expected. Now, if someone uploads 5 solid images with proper variety and format, the app passes all the checks and sends them straight to the next step. After uploading the photos and everything checks out, it's time to train the model. This part's actually pretty cool. The app doesn't just use some random preset, it builds a custom AI model trained specifically on the dog photos we just sent in, so every result later on feels way more personal. Let's drop this into Replit and see what it builds. Send uploaded photos to an external service for personalized AI model training. Then delete the photos. That kicks off the process. The photos are packed up and sent to an external training service, maybe Dreambooth, maybe something similar, and as soon as the external service confirms recipient, the app deletes the originals right away. They're gone as soon as they're no longer needed, which keeps everything clean and privacy safe. While the model is doing its thing, a little progress tracker shows up so users can actually see what's happening. It updates as the training moves along and even gives a rough estimate for when it will finish. Super helpful. And when it's done, a notification pops up saying the model's ready to go. This way, every dog gets its own unique model, so the results actually reflect its features and personality. Alright, models trained, now comes the fun part. This is where the app actually turns those dog photos into art. Not just one version either. It's gonna generate 5 totally different styles, so it's like seeing the same dog in 5 completely new ways. Let's see how this will turn out. Let's tell the AI, generate 5 images using the trained model in various artistic styles like cartoon, oil paint, cyberpunk, etc. Right after that, the app gets to work using the trained model to create 5 new images. Users can pick the style they want: cartoon, oil painting, watercolor, cyberpunk, or pop art, or just let the app randomize a batch. Either way, the results come out totally unique. Even though it's all based on the same dog, each output has its own vibe. It feels custom because the model is uniquely trained and it's generating new versions that actually reflect the dog's features. And the generation doesn't slow things down. It runs in the background so users can get real-time updates or just wait for a quick notification once everything's ready. The whole process feels smooth and the final results always have a bit of a surprise element in the best way. So once the AI finishes generating the images, they all land in the gallery. And this is where users can really take control. Everything's laid out in a nice responsive grid, and it's so easy to scroll through and see all the results at a glance. No clutter, no confusion. To make the space more interactive and useful, we're gonna improve it a bit. Let's go ahead and tell the AI. Improve the gallery. Users can view, download, and delete generated images. Include a download model button. That adds a few key features right away. If you hover or tap on any image, you get a set of simple options. There's a download button if someone wants to save the artwork to their device, and a delete option in case they want to clean things up or remove anything they're not happy with. There's even a favorite toggle, which is perfect for quickly marking the ones that stand out. There's also a new download model button that lets users grab their trained AI model, the one built specifically from their dog photos, and use it outside the app in tools like Automatic 1111 or Comfy UI. So even after they're done using this platform, they can keep creating with their personalized model whenever they want. All of this helps keep users engaged and makes it easy for them to keep using their custom models outside the app. Letting users create and customize is great, but just as important is giving them the ability to clean up when they want to. Maybe they want to delete an old upload, remove a model they're no longer using, or wipe out a generated image entirely. Whatever the reason, the app should make it easy to take something down for good. To build that in, let's tell Replit. Allow users to permanently delete any uploaded photo, generated image, or model file for privacy reasons. That adds a delete button to every file, whether it's an upload, an image, or a model. But to avoid accidental mistakes, each delete action comes with a confirmation dialog, so nothing disappears with a single click. As soon as a user deletes something, it's gone for good. The backend updates immediately, the file is wiped from storage, and no logs or copies are kept. The system doesn't hold onto anything. Is a zero log setup from top to bottom. This kind of privacy-first approach helps build trust and keeps the platform in line with common data protection standards like GDPR and CCPA. It's simple on the surface, but it makes a big difference in giving users real control over what they create and share. At this point, most of the features of the app are fully functional, but if we want to turn it into a real product, we'll need to set up a way to monetize it. The plan is simple. Offer a $9.99 per month subscription that unlocks the most powerful features, while still keeping the basic experience free to explore. We'll have Replit take care of this part. Set up Stripe payments with a $9.99 per month subscription. Enable Stripe test checkout. Stripe connects as soon as we plug in both the public and secret keys. A recurring billing plan is created at $9.99 per month, and webhooks are configured so that as soon as a payment is confirmed, the user gets full premium access instantly. No delays or manual steps. We're also enabling Stripe's test environment here, which makes it easy to simulate the whole checkout flow using dummy cards. That way, everything can be tested from start to finish without using real payment info. The premium upgrade unlocks two key features: access to the generate art section and the ability to download the trained AI model. Anything behind the paywall is clearly marked, so there's no confusion. To make that even more obvious, we'll follow up with another instruction. There should be indications for the premium, like a badge. That adds clear visual markers across the app, things like premium badges, unlock icons, so users can instantly tell what's included in the upgrade. It's a small detail, but it really helps guide people toward the subscription without interrupting the experience. Let's try it with a Stripe demo card. The payment goes through, premium access kicks in right away, and the app handles it all without missing a beat. We just built the entire thing, from uploading dog photos to training a custom AI model to generating 5 unique art styles, all the way to setting up Stripe so the business can start earning right away. The entire system runs with zero code, and every part is built to scale. At the beginning, I mentioned a company making serious money just by selling AI-generated puppy images. You've now seen exactly how to replicate their models, step by step, using a single AI tool that does all the heavy lifting for you. So here's your move. Take what you just watched and build your version. Use the link in the description and enter the code JakeAI for 10% off full access to Replit's AI agent. That's the tool that makes all of this possible. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.